Fifth commandment, honor your father and your mother. Exodus 20:12, this commandment isn't just for children. It's for all of us, always. God is showing us something sacred. Honor builds the foundation of every healthy relationship. You don't have to agree with everything your parents did, but God calls us to respect the role they had in giving you life. No parent is perfect, but neither are we. Forgiveness honors God. Honor isn't just obedience. It's love, it's speaking kindly, it's being patient. It's showing gratitude, even in small ways. Maybe you grew up with wounds. Maybe your relationship is complicated. God sees your heart. And even in brokenness, you can still choose to honor with grace. And for parents, this commandment reminds us we're called to live honorably too. To be worthy of trust, respect, and love. Honor goes both ways. It's a seed that grows generations of blessing. When families live in honor, communities thrive. Nations grow strong. God is glorified. Honor your father. Honor your mother. Not because they're perfect, but because God is. And when we follow his word, he brings healing where there's hurt, restoration where there's distance, and peace where there's been pain. So today, make the call. Say thank you. Speak forgiveness. Choose honor. And if this message touched you, share and subscribe. Let's build a culture of honor together.